What's up, SLP coin holder? Congratulations, many congratulations to SLP price will be increased and they will pumps up. Please holders subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. In this video, SLP coin holder, I will give you my friend my advice. Remember, this is not a financial video, just an only advice for all of you. And yes, I will predicate this coin. I will share my opinion. So therefore, please, you will need to research personally or before my friends take any decision. And this time my friend plus 0.89% the price is increase now. So that's mean my friends to SLP is completely on the trending and price will pumps up. They will give you a profit. Other my friend, all crypto market is not comfortable. Every coin were very badly falls down, but you know SLP one of the unique coin, so they will get a profit in last 3 days. So therefore I'm 100% sure to upcoming time also my friend the SLP price will increasing now. But there is one chance my friend, you know, especially when a short-term investor are starting selling, so therefore there is a no chance my friend, so they will also pump up. There is a 100% chance so the price will decrease now and they will never get a profit. So holder, I have one request from all of you to please hold now, otherwise they will never give you a profit. I hope you will better understand to how we can earn money from crypto. So please, if you are understand now, tell me my friends in a comment box to what we will need to do, and please sell, hold, everything, please share it in the comment box. So subscribe channel and press the bell icon for video notification. Allah, please take care.